This UAE-based Indian billionaire started with one store in Bahrain in 1973 and grew it to a $5.2 billion empire before passing it on to the next generation. Micky Jagtiani, the founder of Landmark Group, started his career in Bahrain with one store he inherited from his brother and parents. With only $6,000 of family money, he started Landmark from the inherited store where he sold baby products to South Asian immigrants. Over the years, the Landmark Group slowly expanded into fashion, electronics, furniture, and budget hotels in the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Today, the Dubai-headquartered group is one of the GCC's largest omni-channel retailers, with over 2,200 retail stores, employing more than 45,000 people and operating brands like Babyshop, Centerpoint, Home Center, Lifestyle, Splash, Shoe Mart, and Emax. He passed away on May 26, 2023, at the age of 70, leaving behind a legacy that continues under the leadership of his wife, Micky Jagtiani, and their 3 children. Jagtiani was known for his entrepreneurial vision and creativity, transforming Landmark into one of the largest retail and hospitality conglomerates in the region, with a net worth of $5.2 billion.